Hi guys, this is Fernando. In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to create a ZDepth channels in V-Ray for SketchUp in order to use that ZDepth channel to create a depth of field effect in Photoshop. So I want to show you what I want to create. I want to create this type of image. This is a grayscale representation of your depth in your scene. So basically, you have to define two plane or two distance. But I want to create this kind of image to create or to add a depth of field. You can see here I create this image using the ZDepth channel to put those lamp out of the focus and just let the front lamp in focus. But anyway, let's go to my scene again. I want to show you my scene. Basically, it's a studio setup. And if I click here in the top view, I already set up the two plane. One plane or one distance is from the camera to the starting point of your ZDepth, and the second distance is from the camera to the ending point or to the further away point of your ZDepth. So I want to include all my studio scene in my ZDepth, so I select or I just create a line using the draw. I draw a line here to define my plane and to define my two plane. Then I use the dimension to add the dimension from the camera to the starting point or to the line that I just create, and from my camera to the ending point. Then I need to add a ZDepth channel using the V-Ray frame buffer channel, but the number that I have to enter should be in inches. Right now I'm using a feet, so the easy way to convert those distance to inches is click on the Windows, Models, and in the format just change that to decimal and inches. Basically, you have those information right now. Okay, then in order to include those information in the ZDepth channel, we have to go to the V-Ray frame buffer channel and find the ZDepth channel is this one right here, and just add those point. Basically, the white point should be the starting point and the black point should be the ending point, but doesn't matter because you can change those points later in Photoshop. But for now, we have to include 220. Let's say it here 220 for my white or my starting point, and the other point is 593 for my ending point or my black color. 593. And the other very important step is just enable the ZDepth clamp. If you have disabled these options, you are going to get the black ZDepth channel. So this is it's pretty easy. By the way, I create this camera using the new advanced camera tool by SketchUp. So you can go to the SketchUp website and download the advanced camera. So I create a camera and then I lock the camera and I can see this camera icon here. So it's going to be very easy to get the distance from the camera to the other point. Okay, let's click to the camera. Just click render. Here we go. This is the final render, and you can see we have a RGB color channel and also the ZDepth channels in my scene. You can see the closer point to the camera is a white color and the further away point is the black color. So the next step is save those channels. I'm going to type ZDepth test, click save, and the next point is open those files inside Photoshop to create the ZDepth effect. So I'm not going to add more post-processing to the lamp. I just want to press Ctrl A to select all my image and Ctrl C to copy. So I want to close the ZDepth image, and then here in the layer I want to create a new alpha channel. Click on channel and I want to create a new alpha channel, and then I will paste my ZDepth channels in the alpha channel 1. Okay, going back to the layer, I want to create now the ZDepth, the depth of field effects. So let me click here in filter and then blur, and then you have to select lens blur. In the lens and blur source, you have to select the alpha channel, because we create or we put the ZDepth channel in the alpha channel. So click there, and then using the radio, you can see how we add a lot of depth of field or blurry in the scene. The cool thing about the ZDepth channel using Photoshop, if you click in the front lamp, you are going to define the object that you want to be in focus. If you click on the red lamp, then the red lamp will be in focus and the front lamp will be out of the focus. My object right now is very blurry, but you can reduce the effects and then click on the front lamp to add the depth of field or the blurriness to the back lamp. Okay, then when you are happy with the result, click OK, and then you will have a very nice, and this ZDepth channel is not as precise as the real depth of field inside V-Ray, but is very precise and also is faster than the depth of field inside V-Ray. So guys, this is all what I have for you today. Remember to define the two plane, one from the camera to the starting point of your ZDepth, and the second one is from the camera to the ending point of your ZDepth, and then include those distance in the V-Ray frame buffer channels in the white and in the black colors. Okay, this is all that I have for you today, guys. So hopefully you can enjoy this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.